Hello everyone, what's up guys? Welcome back again. This is CoinZone here, back for you for a new video, and of course really interesting project. I know a lot of you guys have been wondering why I'm not posting anything about the Ethereum network. I mean, no projects. All the projects I'm reviewing here was about the Binance Smart Chain and Solana network, some NFTs out there. And honestly, I've been thinking, I was just preparing a new project for you guys. I know a lot of people was waiting for the Ethereum 2.0, but today I've got a new call, just small words for this project, guys, but this project is actually great, and I'm sure that at the time you are ending watching this video, you'll be able to understand anything that you are wondering right now about this project. I'm just gonna jump right into it because I know a lot of you don't like the long intros in the video, so that our project today is gonna be Parastate, and this project actually is a great one, and it's really on something. Most of the project I'm posting here is just for pump and dump, and we all know that, and a lot of beginners loves that because they're not just spending just any single hour on searching projects. They just want something that they can put $10 and make it 1000x in just like 10 minutes. So that I brought you this project here, which is really based on something. It will provide the people with something. They have something to offer for the people. And without long intros, I know this video is gonna be a long one, but honestly I don't give a shit. I just wanted to let you know about this CryptoGem project. Anyway, I'm gonna show you the documents, the websites, and all of this. I will show you also some articles about Parastate. But before we start, this video is not financial advice. I know I'm saying this a lot, but especially for this one, because guys, this project is really interesting one, and it needs for you to understand the idea of it, so that please do your own research before investing in any particular project on the channel. Anyway, let's dive in. Our project today is going to be Parastate. I'm going to be explaining the project in some points, and every single point of them will be splitted to two different let's say points. I will tell you, I know there's a lot of beginners here in the channel, and some people doesn't know about crypto, just how to buy and how to sell, but I'm gonna start with, let's say, a formally words and complicated explanations and this stuff. I will say the formally texts on the website and on my sources here, and after that I will be explaining it in just the easiest, fastest way for you to understand it, in just a simple way, not detailed but simple way that you can understand what this project is doing. So first of all, let's say, what is the project here? What is Parastate? Parastate, it's known as I said, I will split this first part to two different points. The first point will be what's typed in as a text, and the second point, what you need to know about this. Okay, so Parastate is the Ethereum literally on steroids, guys. It's a multi-smart contract platform that's bridging the applications and developers ecosystem between Polkadot. We all know it. I don't think that if you don't know what Polkadot is, I don't think that you will be watching me till this moment. Substrate and Ethereum, I'll tell you everything, by the way, at the end of the video, as well as other chains wanting to provide the Ethereum compatibility while supporting the EVM palette to provide seamless compatibility with existing Ethereum applications. Also, guys, Parastate provides the developers with a next gen smart contract implementation environment. They will provide you literally the best environment to create smart contractions on on the Ethereum smart chain. You will be able to create a smart contract in just a few minutes, and it will help you to be supported by Polkadot as well, so that the next gen smart contract implementation environment, as I said, Ethereum flavored web assembly. These two infrastructures are ensured to talk about to each other and share the same account system on Parastate. If you don't have account yet, I'll tell you everything in this video. So here, let's say the text on the website Parastate takes Ethereum chain support to the next level, guys. I said that like 2 times yet, but I will show you everything and tell you everything. Don't worry about anything. Develop and execute high-speed smart contracts with a built-in Ethereum compatibility, EVM and EWASM. As typed in here, get into it. Okay, in the next level programming languages like Rust, C++, and Golang. What is all of this means? Let's jump into the second point. Okay, so a lot of people, guys, let's say developers, are working on the Ethereum smart chain to create a smart contracts, and the providers at the same time are doing the same shit. They are not providing you with anything. The developers needs a lot of time, a lot of money, and the owners as well. If you want to create some contract, smart contract, just a small one on the Ethereum smart chain, you will need people, you will need working hands around the clock. You will need programmers, professional ones, if you want to create something great. But this one here came with the solution, guys. They will provide it the developers with everything that they need, and also on the top of that, they will be able to create it in just small and simple programming languages like Rust, C++. I know like 90% of the people today know what C++ is, and Golang, JavaScript, a lot of just simple well, JavaScript is not simple, but not a lot of people are using it to create a smart contract. But this project, guys, is providing you with all the things that you need. Okay, so that's the first point of what is Parastate. Let's jump into the next point of the video. Okay, so let's make this quick and fast and easy as well. I know I took just 6 straight minutes to just tell you about the first point, but now let's make it quick and faster. Okay, the problem with EVM, that the Ethereum, okay, I said EVM and a lot of other explanations, and a lot of people are wondering what is this. The EVM is the Ethereum virtual machine, okay, that has a lot of problems. Actually, I'm just gonna be honest with you. For all the people that's trying to make projects on the blockchain of the Ethereum, they face a lot of problems. Like here, it's complicated, it's slow, and also it's under the DApps. The DApps in it under the Web3, just hard to develop, guys, and it has limited language support, developer tools, Solidity, and on the top of that, you will pay a lot of money, you guys. You will pay loads and loads of it. That's why it's Ethereum. We all know that the Ethereum has a high fees. Okay, since the Ethereum created the smart contracts with the business logic, both new and the old industries have extrapolated the blockchain technology to real world use cases, from decentralized finance to gaming, metaverse, NFTs, a lot of things. Okay, the rapid built out of the interconnected network on the driven Web3. However, by the way, Web3, I've made a whole video talking about it and what is Web3 and why is the next revolution in the future. The face capability, other performance issues over than the 90% of the DApps that run smart contracts on the Ethereum virtual machine faces limitations because of the well-known challenges of EVM, which I already said: complicated, slow, high fees, blah blah blah. Here's the solution that this project is providing. Okay, high performance on the chain runtime for the Ethereum completable smart contracts. Okay, Parastate is Ethereum on steroids. Why is that? I forgot to say, because it extends the Fortuner of the Ethereum to the next generation and the high performance of blockchain. So what actually they will provide you with Parastate, also developers they will get benefited from the high performance that's getting from it. Okay, the EVM to WebAssembly translation or something using the top level tools like Sol Compiler. Okay, it's also will take low execution time, and it's completable with all the EVM and ERC standards like ERC20, ERC 721, and ERC 1155, and I already explained the difference between all of these types of or standards of the ERC network. So that, go to the channel and check all of these videos. You will get a lot of information that you really need to know. Okay, a natural bridge between the Ethereum, Polkadot, and other next gen blockchains that want to provide the Ethereum compatibility. Okay, and some points here, like for example, let's take this robust smart contracts written in a popular high-level programming languages like Rust and DSL unify broader development community. And the last point, it's completely low gas fees, and this is good for the people, for the developers, for the owners, for all of it. Okay, here's the token, DAO token for advanced developer tools. It's reward DApps deployed on the Parastate infrastructure, and this is a really good one, guys. It's worth talking. The holders can stack and participate in the governance, and also as they typed here, bestow participations rights in the governance of Parastate developers DAO treasury. Okay, the reward Plato, whatever you want to call it, tentest nude validators to maintain the experiment showcase for the advanced technology features. Okay, now let's jump to the next point, which is the most important one in my opinion, and it will give you the summary. Traction, the highest performing web assembly solution. Parastate's web assembly is the highest performing web assembly virtual machine that you can use. And also here, guys, we have some of the informations, and also some important achievements included, as they typed here: leading the way in new applications and use cases. Important achievements include Parastate's backend, okay, and it's the first and the only WASM routine infra project designed for as a CNCF and sandbox projects honest by CNCF. I'm just telling you the formal text now, and then I will explain everything for you. It's also launched the COP SDK for Rust, and the first Rust SDK for the Ethereum completable networks. It's awarding grant from OASIS Foundation to build the ETH, the Ethereum parachain for OASIS network to enable the Ethereum completability, and also has successfully closed more than 10 million MN in fundraising this year, backed by investors in the industry. Okay, it's also awarded grant from Icon Foundation to build the Substract sidechain for the ICX network to enable the Ethereum compatibility. It's award grant from WSF, okay, integrate in the EWASM pilot into the Substrate network. And the best point that I like about this project, it's backed by a lot of projects. That's what's telling you that, let's take for example a Polkadot, a Moonway, and a lot of, it's all big names. I don't know really what to tell you. Is they already explained everything in just this small screen, guys. The project is backed by a lot of projects. That's why it's a dreaming project. And by the way, even CoinMarketCap has made this blog, or you can say it's just explaining the Parastate, what is Parastate, for the people who's wondering, to save a lot of time for you. I know it's like 10 minutes now, so you can join it and it will tell you everything that you need to know. Now I will jump right into the next point, which is Geminis Network, and how to use this, and it's the first fair launch, and why you can vote for Parastate. Okay, so anyway, guys, let's jump into the next point. Okay, so also the website has a lot of sides and sides. If I took straight 30 minutes, I would not complete it. So you can go to the website and check all of these informations about the milestones. They have a really, really dreaming roadmap. You can go and read it. I advise you to do that. They also has a cool community on Twitter and Facebook, Telegram especially. They have 24/7 support. Okay, but this video I made it especially to talk about Geminis Network and Parastate. So let's jump to the next part. Now let's move to the next part of the video, which is gonna be about Geminis Network and how this network will be the parachain of Polkadot, and I will tell you everything about this network, guys. Here's the website of Geminis.network. You can join this network crowdloan. It's the first parachain in a fair launch without a private sale and supported by advanced Parastate tech stack. You can stack here from now, and I'm not actually gonna review the website. It will take so long time. I will just tell you some more details and some more interesting informations. Geminis Network is participating in the 11th round of the slot actions. Okay, they need the support from all the communities of Polkadot and Parastate and all the holders of all the holders around there, and generally I'm talking about DOT holders. And as a reward, you will get a gem, okay, the native token of parachain. We already talked about the next, the native token of Parastate, which is DOT, and for every single coin you will buy from DOT, you will get a 10 gem tokens on the top of that as a reward from this network. So this is really great. And how you can vote in this network, okay, as the first Polkadot parachain supported by advanced technical stack of Parastate, the community is super excited about the launching as a parachain, so everyone can benefit, from like bidirectional Ethereum compatibility on a high performance blockchains. And to the ethos of decentralized governance, your vote can help in Geminis Network. Okay, now let's just shop for a minute. What actually decentralized means and why are so much people interested in that? Well, speaking about the decentralized platforms will give you more privacy. It will be much professional and no one can control it. No one can know any information about you or even about your funds, wallet, and all of this. And that's why it's called decentralized, so that your vote is gonna be a thing, because it's decentralized. It's community driven. The community is driving the project, and the community is also planning for the next step and what the project really has to do. Okay, and you can become a Polkadot parachain, and this network can be okay. Geminis needs the support of the Parastate and Polkadot community, all the holders of DOT, as I already mentioned. Like Parastate, Geminis is a decentralized DAO, according to Marco Chin. He's the founder, by the way, of Parastate. I already showed you the team, I guess. The intent is to fully decentralize this project and let it be governed by a DAO. And I already mentioned what DAO is. This means you not on Facebook or Google. There's people are controlling you, knowing you a lot of informations, and they're gaining money. By the way, if I remember that quote that said, if the service is free, you are the product. And this is really true here. And this guy is talking about how these platforms are controlling the people and knowing so much information about them. And by the way, these technologies are just dangerous and it will ruin your whole life. Okay, you can exercise your right to vote on making it easier to build an applications and infrastructure on high performance blockchains by voting in Geminis Network parachain on the Polkadot crowd loan action. Okay, what token do I need to participate? As I mentioned, the native token of Polkadot is DOT. The minimum comment amount is 1 DOT. If you have less than that, you will not be able to participate. And as I showed you, you will get 10 gems for each DOT you can buy. Okay, if you do hold a DOT in your wallet, you can buy Polkadot's native token, which is DOT, on all the major exchanges. And when this network will be a crowd loan, okay, the Geminis network will start part and its first Polkadot slot action number. As I told you, from March 3 to 10 on 2020 year. Okay, the parachain slot action rewards. To participate in the vote, you are required to look at a portion of DOT for the duration of the slot lease. Okay, in exchange you will earn a lot of rewards in Geminis native network token, which is a GEM, as I mentioned. As a crowd loan supporter of the parachain action, you will earn 10 gems, as I mentioned already, for each DOT you are holding. Additionally, if Parastate wins the action, additional DOT rewards, of course, will be allocated for all the people around there. And the reward cap, as I mentioned, crowd loan, it will reward you, not just a drop in the bucket. It's giving 15% of the gem token total supply, which is 30 million and 31,500,000 gems to those who support it for the parachain slot. And you can earn a lot of more informations on the website Geminis.network. Okay, how you can participate or vote in the Parastate crowd loan. You can support Geminis Network's parachain. Vote through any of those following platforms. The first one, I will just say the domain of the sites, Polkadot.js. This is the domain of it. It supports Geminis Network. Okay, we have also Parallel, which supports the network via. You can support it via Parallel as well. You will get extra para and dot. There's a liquidity there, and each dot contributed to the Geminis network, like gets 4 para tokens bonus, and liquidity is issued by Perial. We have also Bifrost. Bifrost is a supporting platform to Geminis Network, and there's a lot of other features there. You can go and check it out yourself. For more information, as I told you, I will leave a link of both Geminis Network and Parastate in the description down below, and here is the same information that I already mentioned about the EVM and EWASM, and here's the strategy that they are using. If you're not professional, you will understand some of that. And I guess I already reviewed Polkadot. I forgot to mention that about this project. I already reviewed it before, and it's one of the biggest projects on the Ethereum, the whole Ethereum. And as I mentioned, guys, I have reviewed a lot of discovered projects here on the channel, so that I'm not telling you to go and invest just in any token that I'm reviewing. There might be scammers between them, so that's why you should make your own research. Okay, maybe you get the chance, maybe you not. It's all on your responsibility, because you are the one who choose when and where and what to invest. Okay, so that was a quick video. I guess I finished all the information that I was able to say here. Of course, I didn't cover everything. You'll find the links down below in the description. You can learn a lot of more informations down below. And thanks for these guys, both Geminis Network and Parastate, for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys like it, and I guess see you in the next one. Peace out.